Hello, welcome to Level Up Finance, where we talk about money, mindset on the road to get millions. On this episode, I like to talk about business credit, how to get it, why you want it. You probably want it because you have a business and you don't want to attach it to your personal credit. You want to separate both. Okay, the reason you want it is because you can level up your business credit. You could buy real estate, you could buy computers, you could buy equipment, you could buy all type of things, office supplies for your business without touching your personal credit at all. This is a great thing. You can grow your business credit quicker than you can grow your personal, as far as limits and everything like that. And blah, okay? This right here is my Home Depot credit card, about 7,500 on this one. Floor decor, about 14,500 on this one. Cat, about 10 grand on that one. Staples, about 2,500 on that one. Bank of America, now this is attached to your Social Security. You got to do a personal guarantee for this, but that's about 2 grand. Amex, same thing. You got to do a personal guarantee. This is about 2 grand too. All right. U.S. Bank, same thing. You got to do a personal guarantee for this one. All right. And Exxon Mobil, business, and Truck and Supply Corporation. And all those credit cards, the only ones that's attached to your personal credit was the U.S. Bank, the Amex, and the Bank of America. Everything else is totally on the business credit side, not attached to your personal credit at all. So if you personal guarantee something, if you default on it, then that would impact your personal credit. If I just suddenly start paying Bank of America, it would affect the personal side. It would destroy your personal credit. You'll have missed payments and everything like that. So right now, these 3 credit cards that personal guarantee don't show up on your personal credit at all. You know how if you have a personal credit card, you're going to see the utilization every time you charge something, things of that nature. You see it on your personal credit. You don't see these 3 on your personal credit at all. Only if you default, that's when you see it on your personal credit, on your credit report. Other than that, you're not going to see it on your credit report. And to show you the big boy limits, here you go. Home Depot, 75. Cat, 10,000. Dell Business, and Floor and Decor, 14,500. All right, 6 months. I started this in July, and I just been leveling up ever since. And all this stuff is recent. I just recently got this about 2 weeks ago, and I'm like, wow, you can do a lot with this. Especially, like say the Home Depot, you could go there and turn that Home Depot card into credit. I mean, cash if you wanted to. You could buy so much tools that people was willing to buy. You could buy all type of tools and sell it. You could even buy, gift cards and sell those. So the possibilities is endless. You could buy flooring. You could buy office supplies. You could do all type of stuff to make some money, or you could buy it just for your business, which is what I do. But if you're ever in a pinch, your personal credit is messed up, and you want to build up business credit, you could do what you got to do to survive. It's challenging times, so you don't necessarily need a business to build business credit. It just makes more sense if you have a business to build business credit. And with this, you need an actual business, so you need to go to your Secretary of State, apply for a business, get that, and get your EIN, and then you can start the journey. You can start with vendors like Uline, Ranger, Crown Office Supply, Quill, and this will help you jumpstart your business credit building journey. That's what I did. Matter of fact, when everybody was looking for toilet paper, I actually had a whole bunch of toilet paper. You know, I had a whole bunch of toilet paper. We just ran out recently. I just bought one big box and I was good. So that's one way to be safe, because with a business, everything gets shipped quicker, and is, you know, you're like first to get things, not the regular consumer. Business, you can go on these, you know, sites and buy supplies, like even Amazon. It gets shipped earlier to you. You know, you get first dibs. The consumer gets second dibs. So you want a business. You know, business is definitely winning. Look at who they're giving the money to. They're giving people $600. They're giving businesses millions. So that should tell you a lot right there. Yeah. So that's just one way that you could do things with your business. You could definitely level up your finance by having a business. If you have all these credit cards and your personal credit cards, you should feel more safe. You're safe on a personal side, you're safe on a business side. So if you know things come up, you can just swipey. Personal, swipe. Business, swipe. You know, them things are gonna be like swords. You just swipe, you know, you know what I'm saying? Do your thing. When we live in these challenging times, you need as much ammo as possible. All right, your personal credit should be good, your business credit should be good, and you should have no debt. You should have money in the bank. You should have cash flow coming in, because we living in some really crazy times where you don't know what's going to happen. You really don't know what's going to happen, so be safe. And we're going to go step by step in one of these videos coming up soon on how to level up your credit, your business credit. We're definitely going to get it and level up our finances, our money, and our mindset. All right, so we're going to talk on the next one.